kami ulit kakain sa ano, Home Plus. Sa Home Plus food court.
So, what's about?
Ketchup, dito mo yan, no, apo. Para hindi nagano. Dito, oh, para hindi tumatagos. Hatiin natin, Collie, para hindi ka nahihirapang mag-bite.
Yan,
Oh,
para
diba?
maliit-liit lang.
Ma-easier pa sa yung kainin mo.
Bean sprouts, toge.
Hi guys, we're on the bus. We're going to a war museum. Okay, see you later.
Punta naman kami ngayon sa ano, War Memorial Museum. Libre lang yata entrance dito eh. Ano to, sa may Samgakji Station. Ano lang to. May direct bus mula dun sa Airbnb namin. Pero isang oras din yung biyahe. Pero at least hindi na kami magpapalipat-lipat sa train. Kasi 'di ba? Pag lipat-lipat pa lang ng station, nakakapagod na eh. Pero pag bus, nakaupo ka lang, dire-diretso na. Doon pa sila sa likod, sila Collie and Lolo. Bukas, ewan ko, ano ba bukas? 25. Hindi namin alam kung anong gagawin pa bukas. Pero, baka mamaya after dito sa War Memorial, mag-Kuko-X library kami or sa Suwon. Depende. Pag kasi galing sa bahay, 1.5 hours daw yung Suwon Starfield na library. Pero yung COEX, 50 plus minutes. So, mas layo talaga. Ewan ko lang from here. Check ko sa map kung mas mapapabilis dito. Kasi nasa ano kami, Samgakji. Ito na. So, to. Ayan.
Nasa lolo.
So, dito may dahon na yung mga puno nila, oh. Yung iba, patay pa. Patay. Ayan.
Pumunta yung maglolo doon, oh. Doon sa, ano, Statue of Brothers. Ito, Statue of Brothers.
Ano kaya meron doon sa Children's Museum? Tingnan natin.
Ano?
Ano kaya meron doon sa Children's Museum?
Mamaya, tingnan natin.
Ano may ginagawa dito? Ayan.
At ano, War Memorial Desu.
Saan sila calls?
Kasama ni lolo niya, pumunta sila sa loob. Kaya natin. Ito yung ano, oh. Yung nandyan daw si MacArthur.
Dito. Di ka na. Tirik na tirik yung araw, guys. Anong oras na ba? 2:23. Nakakaluha yung hangin, guys. Naiiyak na ako. Ano ginawa niyo sa baba? Calls. Ito. Gusto mo picture ka daw dito, Calls? Call, tayo ka daw dito. Ito may anak ko. The Curious Collie. Ha? Bakit? Ano, no? Huwag ka nag-ask siya for help. Yun na, let's go inside.
Sapatos na kasi sila, joke.
Basahin mo to, may nakalagay. Korean War Monuments. Ito. So, ayan, basahin mo. The Tower of Korean War, symbolizing... sige.
Symbolizing the image of a bronze sword and the tree of life. The bronze sword represents the... Wait, Stefan, start? Tower of Korean War, symbolizing the image of the bronze sword and the tree of life. The bronze sword represents the time-honored history and the warrior spirit. The tree of life symbolizes the prosperity and peace of the Korean people. Stone bowl. Forming the pedestal of Tower of Korean War, this represents a bowl of accommodation, accommodating and the yearning for national unification. Statues defending the fatherland. The statues represent 38 people from all walks of life who overcame the Korean War and depict the suffering and pain caused by the war.
Pasok na kami sa loob kasi medyo tirik na tirik yung araw ngayon dito. So, mamaya na lang paglubog ng araw kami picture-picture dito sa labas. Yung last time na punta namin dito, 2014 pa. So, 12 years ago na. Ang kasama namin nun dito, yung ako, yung brother ko, si mami ko, tsaka ito si Daddy Ryan. Pero ngayon lang ulit kami nakabalik. Alam ko, libre entrance dito nung pumunta kami dati. Ano yan? Philippines. Ito daw yung Philippine flag. Kung saan siya nakatayo. Ayan. Date of participation. Ayan Pilipinas. Sa taas yan yung flag natin. Matagal din para tayo sumali. 5 years.
And yung history yan dito.
May 1 battalion tayong pinrovide and may 7,420 participants. At ang wounded ay 313. At namatay ay 113. Kawawa naman sila. So, Republic of the Philippines. The Philippines was the first Asian nation to send a combat unit to Korea and the third ground troop following the US and the UK. The first of the 5 battalion combat teams of the Philippine Expeditionary Forces to Korea landed in Busan on September 19, 1950. The Filipino soldiers currently fought
Yung
for
picture
Korea.
daw.
Wow, ang dada ng participation, ha?
Pa tayo lang may flower, no? Uy, ito, ang laki ng bit-bit nila, oh. Tingnan mo yung bag nila, oh. Ilang kilo kaya to? Three days until Seoul fell. North Korean forces attacked on all fronts, but their main target was Seoul. Ayan, oh, gusto mo pala malaman yung war. Ito, oh, baby. Oh, they targeted Seoul. South Korean forces tried to defend Seoul by mobilizing all the available troops from the rear. North Korean forces concentrated troops and weapons on the main axis of avenue to Seoul, and finally penetrated the South Korean defense line and captured Seoul in 3 days. The North Korean forces conducted landing operations through Yangyang and Gangneung on the east coast. One of the North Korean ships with armed troops advanced toward Busan, but was detected and sunk by a South Korean patrol ship. ROK ship Baekdusan had played a key role in safeguarding Busan port. Ito si Major Shim Il. Ayan, Daegu. Ito, andito yung library, oh. Sa Suwon. Ito yung Seoul. Oh.
Malapit yung suwon sa border.
Don't know. Ito pa, monster truck.
Mommy,
Fly. Oh, look at that.
ano yung suwon?
Canyon launcher. Oh, look at this. Ito. Walang English. Aircraft gun. Ito. Howitzer. Uy, oh, chopper. Ay. So, ito. South Korean Air Force at the start of the war. At the outbreak of the war, there were only 57 pilots. The North Korean Navy planned to land in Busan on June 25th to threaten the ROK forces in the rear and disrupt the expected commitment of U.S. forces to Busan. This attempt was frustrated, however, when the ROK ship Baekdusan sank a North Korean transport ship deep into the Straits of Korea. Yan o, ganyan yung war. Bubarilan sila o. Ito, tinan mo, nakadapa sila o. Nag-hide sila sa grass para mag-shoot. May battle diary pa, oh. Ito naman ay telegram. Telegrama. Telecommunication message of... Wag. Sige. Ewan ko. Wala. Walang story eh. During the Korean War, boys and girls under the age of 17 volunteered to fight in defense of the Republic of Korea. With little to no formal training, they were sent to the front lines, including the fierce battles along the Nakdong River, risking their lives for the freedom of their homeland. O tingnan mo, mga children, sumali sa war. Ito naman, just after the war broke, a number of students volunteered to participate for combat or support duty. On 1950, Daehan Hakdo was organized to integrate students' demand for arms. Some students, tinan mo pati mga students sumasali sa war. Some students even formed units themselves to join military or conducted independent guerrilla actions.
Thousands of them were killed.
Diba? So, mo ba magka-war? Siyempre, hindi. Kaya kailangan mo i-keep ang peace. Seoul recovered na. South Korean and UN forces, after landing at Incheon, recaptured Seoul on September 28. While retreating, North Korean troops committed cruel acts, slaughtering many innocent people and taking about 10,000 South Koreans. Oh! Look! Basahin mo!
Ano go dyan?
Ito pala yung timeline nila. Outbreak of Korean War, June 25, 1950. Incheon landing. Ang tagal din, no? Sobrang engrossed si Collie dito sa museum. Binabasa niya lahat. Dito. Uy, ito may jacket dito. Ano to? Basahin mo nga. Ano tong jacket? Ito, yung parka. President Reese M. 1974 parka. Ah, ito yung suot niya. Ito yan, oh. Yan yun. Dito si Tasha.
As you can see on the map before the war,
Uy, tinan mo yung wallet, oh. Hindi, mga medal nila yan. Helmet nila, oh. Ito.
This is actually fun.
Next. Doon naman tayo, sa iba naman. Dito, you want? Gusto mo dyan, picture kita?
Well, an airplane.
Airplane. Wala eh. O, doon talaga. Collie, come! Oh, picture na, Tasha. Tayo dalawa.
Hey, James. Nandiyan ka sa'yo. Hindi, meron mo. Di ba bago niya yung picture mo? Pag ginamit mo daw, magkakalapit ayaw niya. Baka nilaan mo yung baso.
Yummy?
My drinks.
Dapat inayos niya na. Hindi mo kasya ng
Crab
baso.
cheesecake?
Baka lang.
Can I taste? Can I taste, baby?
Yan.
Sarap bata siya.
Ito akin na to.
Hindi ka pa kasi kumakain eh, kaya ka nagugutom.
So, tingnan mo.
Maganda yung video na yan.
The what?
Power break. Power break.
Doon ka na, doon ka na. Madumi yan, basurahan. Uwi na kami. Sakay ulit kami yung bus. 1 hour ulit na bus. Doon tayo, tatawid tayo sa kabilang side. Ang ganda pa naman ng hair ko. Isa lang palang pupuntahan natin ngayon. Nagkulot pa ako. Sayang naman yung buhok ko. Tingnan nyo na lang, oh. Ganda, oh. Oh, ang ganda, di ba? Oh, videohan mo na lang para masulit yung kulot ko. Ah, sige po.
Tingin ko yung nasa loob, mga replica lang. Ito talagang...
Huli, mahulog ka dito. Talaga mga actual, ano. Malaki yung step. Pero, maliliit, pero malapad. Oh,
Rocker ship. Mom, no, there's a rocker ship.
I know.
No, there's two.
I know.
Look, hanapin yung tire.
Pa-picture dito. Dahil dalawa tayo sa pa-picture tayo. Tara.
Where I still behind.
B-E-H-I-N-D.
B-E-H-I-E.
Doon tayo pa-picture. Asa Sasha? Nasa pa-picture tayo dito.
Si Coles.
Oh, Ron, pasok ka na sa loob.
Uy, mauntog ah.
Yan, yung isa upuan, bumaba mo.
Hindi ka talaga ba?
Ay, isa-isa na, oh, sige.
You go off-route. Connect map and direction.
Orang tabi ka. Pupunan ko si Connie niya kasi yung daddy niya. Kunyari sila ay nasa trail mission.
Papaanda rin natin.
Oh, yun, sa kabila. Sa kabila, sa grupo kayo, marami.
Saan tayo?
Dito daw.
Tayo pupunta. Dito. Oy, dito. Maganda. Oy, si Rose, sumakit ko sa loob.
Uy, Ryan, masira mo yan ah.
Oy, dito. Di ka kasya tayo lahat.
The Mario teams are playing here.
Mahulog ka dyan ah. Asha, ano gusto mo? Spam or fish?
Soy chicken. Oh, chicken wings. Ron, kain tayo.
Right here. I later. Okay.
Oh, may salmon is so yummy, gano'n.
Rice ka pa, Cory? Rice ka pa?
Gawa kita ng bread. Ha? With spam?